Ever dreamed of having a conversation with a computer that feels as natural as chatting with a friend? Forget all these clunky menus and robotic responses. Kyutai MOSHI is here to redefine how you relate with AI. Just imagine a voice assistant that not only understands your every word, but also mimics human conversation, complete with accents and emotional cues. Moshi isn't just a translator, it's a conversation chameleon, capable of handling 2 audio streams at the same time and adapting to your speaking style. Need a French history lesson delivered with a touch of Parisian? Or maybe you want a German business partner to feel right at home during a negotiation. Moshi can handle it all, making it the ultimate tool for a truly connected world. That's not all. Kyutai's voice AI, Moshi, is here to shatter language barriers and redefine communication as we know it. That's right, this tiny powerhouse can translate between a whopping 28 languages in real time. Let's get right into it. Moshi, Kyutai's amazing voice AI, is from France. This isn't just any voice assistant. Moshi is an experimental AI pushing the boundaries of how we interact with machines. Unlike most AI assistants, Moshi engages in real-time conversations that feel almost human-like. At the heart of Moshi is advanced machine learning. This technology allows Moshi to learn from every interaction, constantly improving its responses and understanding of human conversation. It's like having a friend who gets better at understanding you each time you talk. Just imagine you ask Moshi about the weather. Not only does it give you the forecast, but it might also suggest it's a perfect day for a walk in the park. Share that you're feeling down, and Moshi could respond with a joke or some encouraging words. Moshi is designed to be more than a source of information. It aims to be a companion, making interactions natural and enjoyable. That's not all. Moshi also stands out due to its open-source nature, which is like sharing the recipe for a secret sauce with everyone. This openness allows anyone to get into its technology, tweak it, and make it even better. Just imagine tech wizards adding their own special ingredients to enhance its capabilities. This collaboration fuels rapid advancements, and of course, makes it much better. Practically speaking, Moshi's open-source framework empowers developers to tailor it to various needs. For example, imagine a company fine-tuning Moshi to be a tireless customer service rep, handling queries day and night. In schools, Moshi could be adapted to help students learn languages, offering a conversational companion for practice whenever needed. The potential applications are vast and full of promise, offering new ways to innovate and utilize this cutting-edge technology. This openness isn't just about sharing, it's about sparking creativity and cooperation, pushing the boundaries of what Moshi can achieve in ways that might not be possible in a closed-off system. Then, of course, another of its standout capabilities is its real-time conversational skills, allowing it to understand and respond to speech almost instantly. Achieving this requires advanced natural language processing, NLP technology. Moshi can grasp context, detect emotions, and even interpret slang or informal language. For instance, if you ask about a cool new movie, Moshi won't suggest a film about low temperatures but will recommend the latest blockbuster. An amusing story from early users highlights Moshi's conversational prowess. During the EU demo, a user challenged Moshi by asking it to complete a sequence of numbers. To everyone's surprise, Moshi not only kept pace but also added humor when it faced difficulties. This playful interaction demonstrates Moshi's ability to turn routine tasks into enjoyable experiences. Moreover, Moshi's adaptability shines through its ability to engage users naturally because of its more meaningful interactions. Whether chatting about current events or personal interests, Moshi would most likely maintain engaging and coherent conversations. Its ability to understand small details and reply correctly shows that it's a smart voice AI. Moshi isn't your average voice assistant. It excels in handling deep, detailed conversations. While many assistants can handle basic tasks like setting timers or playing music, Moshi goes further. When planning a road trip, you can ask Moshi about the best routes, find out about interesting roadside stops, and even chat about your favorite snacks for the journey. Moshi keeps the conversation flowing smoothly, making it feel less like you're talking to a robot and more like you're catching up with a friend. What's really impressive about Moshi is how it adapts to you. It learns from your preferences and habits over time, tailoring its responses to match your style. If you love a little morning motivation, Moshi might greet you with an inspiring pep talk to kickstart your day. If trivia is your thing, Moshi can sprinkle in fun facts during your chats. This personalized touch makes every interaction with Moshi more engaging and relevant to your daily life. Next, let's get into the technical side of Moshi for a moment. Moshi's amazing real-time abilities are powered by advanced neural networks. These networks work like the human brain, helping Moshi understand and generate responses just like we do. When you talk to Moshi, it quickly turns your voice into text, which it analyzes to craft the perfect reply. This response is then spoken back to you almost instantly. It's like magic, but it's all thanks to the amazing technology. Security and privacy are also top priorities for Moshi's developers. In a time when data breaches are a concern, Moshi handles your information with care. Your conversations are encrypted, and you have control over your data, making sure that chatting with Moshi stays private and safe. One of Moshi's early testers shared a fun story about their experience. During a spontaneous moment, the tester decided to recite lyrics from Queen's Bohemian Rhapsody to see how Moshi would react. Despite a few playful errors, Moshi kept the conversation lively and enjoyable. These moments of humor and spontaneity make interacting with Moshi feel remarkably human. Moshi isn't just for personal use, its potential extends into professional areas. For instance, when it comes to customer service, Moshi could be deployed across various industries, providing instant 24/7 support. Unlike human agents who might need breaks or could have off days, Moshi is tireless and consistently polite. This could go a long way to improve customer satisfaction and many business operations. Imagine calling your bank at midnight and having a pleasant and efficient conversation with Moshi about your account issues. No more waiting on hold or having to go through frustrating automated menus. In our interactions with Moshi, we notice several interesting aspects. Its main job is to chat with you in real time and help out with all sorts of things, right? But there were some problems we came across. One big issue was the delay in responses. Sometimes Moshi took up to 416 milliseconds to reply, causing words to get lost or conversations to feel choppy. This delay made it tough for Moshi to understand what we were saying, like when we sang song lyrics or tried to stump it with classic tunes like Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen. Another thing we found was that Moshi wasn't always consistent. For example, when we asked it to finish a number sequence or find words that rhyme, Moshi often gave the wrong answers or repeated itself. This showed us that Moshi has limits in how well it understands and processes information. Even when we tried to play pretend, like being pirates, Moshi sometimes gave answers that didn't really fit the conversation. Moshi does let you try it out for free with a demo, but it only lets you chat for up to 5 minutes at a time. You can test it in places like Europe and the United States, but we had trouble accessing the US demo because the website took forever to load. This might mean that where you are could affect how well you can use Moshi. From these, it is clear that Moshi needs some work to be more useful and reliable. Fixing the delays, making sure it understands things better, and giving more accurate answers are all things that could make Moshi better. Since it's open source, it can get better with feedback from users and updates over time. Hopefully, this will help Moshi become a smarter and more fun AI buddy in the future. The future looks incredibly promising for voice AI technology, and Moshi is at the forefront of this exciting field. The advancements we're seeing today are just the tip of the iceberg. We could begin to imagine a future where Moshi and similar AIs can perfectly integrate into our daily lives, not just as assistants, but as integral parts of our social and professional environments. In education, Moshi has the potential to transform learning as we know it. Imagine students grappling with homework receiving immediate, personalized help suited to their unique learning preferences. Whether making easy, complex math problems in plain, accessible language, providing constructive feedback on essays, or conducting virtual tutoring sessions, Moshi could make academic challenges more manageable. Language learners, too, could benefit greatly, practicing conversation skills with Moshi to enhance confidence and fluency in new languages. Healthcare isn't left out either. It stands to benefit significantly from Moshi's innovations as well. Imagine patients recovering at home using Moshi to monitor symptoms, receive timely medication reminders, and even find emotional support. For elderly individuals living independently, Moshi could function as a constant companion, offering reminders, engaging in friendly chats, and alerting caregivers during emergencies. Moshi's potential in mental health care is equally profound, offering empathetic dialogue and a supportive presence for those battling anxiety or depression. The adaptability and continuous learning capabilities of Moshi mean it can be tailored for an endless variety of roles. In creative fields, Moshi could serve as a collaborative partner, sparking ideas for writing projects, suggesting innovative marketing strategies, or even providing coding solutions. Just imagine working alongside Moshi on your next creative venture, receiving not only practical feedback, but also imaginative insights that propel your ideas forward. As Moshi continues to grow, we can expect it to become even more advanced. Future versions might be able to understand and react to how you feel without you having to say anything, like noticing your expressions or body language, making conversations feel more natural. Adding augmented reality, AR, could also improve how Moshi helps you by showing pictures or videos right where you need them. It could be so good that Moshi could help you make a new dish by showing each step on your kitchen counter. Another exciting idea for the future is that Moshi could learn and copy how different people talk. This means that one day, Moshi might talk in a way that feels really familiar and friendly to you, or even copy your own voice for certain jobs. This kind of personal touch could make talking with Moshi even better and more fun. So if you're curious about the potential of AI, or if you just want a friendly voice to chat with, give Moshi a try. You might just find that the future of human-AI interaction is already here, and it's more exciting and engaging than you ever imagined. With Moshi by your side, the possibilities are endless, and the conversations are always interesting. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.